crypto trend. There's a business so boring that nobody wants to talk about it, but it quietly makes $50,000 per year or more. Today, I'm revealing the boring business that could change your financial future. And trust me, after you see the numbers, you'll wonder why you never thought of this before. Let's be real. When most people think about starting a business, they think big. They want the next Uber, the next Airbnb, the next whatever just went viral on TikTok. 9 out of 10 startups fail within the first year. The average cost to get one off the ground is over $50,000. And even if you beat the odds, you're probably not seeing profit for at least 18 months while working 80-hour weeks. Now, what if I told you there's another path? One that's not glamorous at all, so boring that most entrepreneurs completely ignore it. These businesses don't make headlines, they don't get featured on Shark Tank, but they have something way better. They actually make money. Boring businesses have a 35% survival rate after 10 years. That's more than 3 times better than tech startups. Lower startup costs, faster profitability, and once they're running, they're largely passive. So what's this magical boring business? Let's dive in. I know what you're thinking. Vending machines? Really? That's the big secret. Yes. And before you click away, let me show you the numbers that'll change your mind. The vending machine industry in the United States generates over $7 billion in revenue every year. There are about 5 million machines operating right now. And here's the kicker. A single well-placed vending machine can generate between $200 and $500 per month in net profit. That's $2,400 to $6,000 per year. From one machine. Now multiply that by 10 machines. At an average of $400 per month per machine, you're looking at $4,000 per month, or $48,000 per year, and that's being conservative. But here's what makes this truly special. Once your machines are set up and stocked, you're only working a few hours per month per machine. It's what we call semi-passive income. I want you to see exactly how this works. Let's say you have a snack and drink machine in a good location, maybe an office building with 100 employees. If you're getting 15 transactions a day at an average of $2 each, that's $30 per day or $900 per month in revenue. Now let's talk about costs. Your cost of goods, that's the snacks and drinks you buy wholesale, runs about $350. Most locations want a 10% commission, that's $90. Add $30 for occasional maintenance and supplies, another $30 for gas and your time restocking, and you're at $500 in monthly costs. That leaves you with $400 per month in pure profit, per machine, per month. That's $4,800 per year from one machine that you spend maybe 3 to 4 hours a month managing. Think about this. A typical job requires 160 hours per month to make $50,000 per year. 10 vending machines can make you $48,000, while you work maybe 30 hours per month total. So why does this boring business work so well? There are 4 main reasons. Number 1, guaranteed demand. People are always going to need convenient snacks and drinks. When you're stuck at work, at the gym, in a hospital waiting room, or between classes, this isn't a trend. Vending machines have been around for over 100 years. They survived the Great Depression, multiple recessions, and even the pandemic. Why? Because they solve a real, everyday problem. Reason 2, low competition and high barriers. Once you secure a good location, you have a moat. Most vending contracts are multi-year agreements, meaning competitors can't just walk in and steal your spot. That's actually great news for you. Less competition means better locations and better margins. Reason 3, scalability and semi-passive income. You start with one machine, learn the business, then add another, then another. Each machine adds income without multiplying your headaches. And the best part? You can do this while keeping your day job. Most operators spend 1 day per week restocking and maintaining their machines. That's it. Reason 4, simple, powerful profit margins. You're buying products wholesale and marking them up 200 to 400%. A bottle of water costs 45 cents and sells for $2. Chips cost 35 cents and sell for $1.25. Those margins leave plenty of room for profit. Guaranteed demand, low competition, scalability, and strong margins. That's why boring works. All right, you're sold on the idea. So how do you actually get started? Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Research your local market. Figure out what sells in your area. Classic snack and drink machines work almost everywhere. Gyms do well with healthy options. Offices love hot beverages. Entertainment venues can support specialty machines. Look for places with high foot traffic, captive audiences, and limited food options nearby. Step 2. Start with one machine. You can buy new for $3,000 to $8,000 or save money with a quality refurbished machine for $1,200 to $3,000. I recommend starting used. Customers don't care if the machine is new. They care if it works. Make sure it has a card reader. This is non-negotiable. Cash-only machines miss out on most sales. Remote monitoring is also a huge advantage. Step 3, secure your location with a solid contract. Most locations want 5 to 15% commission. Aim low. Get at least a 1-year agreement, preferably longer. Lock in exclusivity. Make sure power and space are included. Your pitch is simple. It costs them nothing. You handle everything. They get convenience for their people and a monthly commission check. Step 4. Stock smart. Start with proven sellers. Popular snacks, drinks, some healthy options, and a small percentage of premium items. Buy wholesale, never retail. As you grow, negotiate better pricing. Step 5. Establish a routine. Check sales remotely, restock weekly, do preventive maintenance monthly. Master one machine first, then scale gradually. By month 12, 10 machines puts you right around that $40,000 to $50,000 per year mark. Before we wrap up, let me save you from the most common mistakes. Number 1. Bad locations. Location is 80% of success. Low traffic means low money. Be patient. Number 2. Over-investing too soon. Don't buy 10 machines before you've proven one. Start small, scale smart. Number 3, ignoring the numbers. Track everything. Revenue, costs, time. Data is how you improve. Number 4, thus poor product selection. Stock what sells, not what you like. If it doesn't move in 2 weeks, replace it. Number 5, ignoring maintenance. A broken machine makes $0 and damages trust. Prevent problems before they happen. So now you've got 10 machines making $48,000 a year. What if you want more? One machine can make you $5,000 a year. 10 machines, nearly $50,000. 20 machines, 6 figures. The only question is, how big do you want to go? Wealth isn't built on excitement. It's built on consistency. And sometimes the most consistent path forward is also the most boring. So here's my challenge to you. This week, scout 3 locations. Office buildings, gyms, hospitals. Talk to the manager. See if there's opportunity. You don't need to buy anything yet. Just test the waters. Now I want to hear from you. Would you actually start a vending machine business? Or is there another boring business you'd try first? If this opened your eyes, like the video, subscribe, and do share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, boring is beautiful when boring makes you rich. I'll see you in the next one.